Okay, in this video, I'm going to demonstrate the double cut. Here we have our wall with our center line drawn. The wall's been cleaned with isopropanol. And you'll see on the back side, I've taken and cut the backing paper and left an inch on the edge and taken out a strip. And this strip just allows me to position where I want it. Now I can just tack on that little strip. Now I see I'm over the line, so I'm good there. I take the backing paper off, squeegee the air out, flip the back up, and squeegeeing on the angle. That. We'll get our second piece. Excuse me. Same thing. Now we'll overlap it. There. There. Now I'll make sure. Tack it on. Make sure I'm good. Peel the paper off. Squeegee. Same thing again. Now, to do the double cut, always start with a new fresh blade. Get going on. Cutting through both of them. Putting enough pressure that I go through both. And it's just a matter of pulling the paper off from the back side. And then squeegee it on. And there you have it. Seam invisible. Video, I'm going to be installing this 4 foot wide by 7 foot high. And on the back side, I've folded back about 6 inches of paper to start. I've drawn my plumb line. So I tried to stay out of the way of the camera. Might be impossible. And back the paper and squeegee, push the air out. There it is. Paper.